whoever this message is for, there is a wish fulfillment here for you. Coming in now. Within the next couple of weeks is what I'm hearing. This is something that you have been praying for, quite literally wishing on a star. Before I came in and I was recording this, I'm going on a walk with my dog, and I kept hearing, when you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. I kept hearing those lyrics, and I'm hearing a prayer being answered, and I'm honestly feeling your ancestors coming through. There's a lot of emotion behind this. They have been protecting you and guiding you through a lot of painful things over the years. A lot of painful endings, relationships, moving, things that you just didn't expect is what I'm hearing. Whatever it is, however that resonates for you. This is a pretty large collective that I'm speaking to if you found yourself on this video right now. But I'm hearing there's a wish fulfillment coming in. Mushrooms might be significant for you. You might be somebody who enjoys superfood mushrooms, or quite literally like the plant medicine. And Egyptian energy is coming through as well. Isis, I have my Isis statue right here. I drive with Isis. I've been traveling the 222 also. They've been traveling the country the last couple of months, and Isis has been driving the vehicle with me. Now I'm crooked. Okay, they're also emphasizing you've been healing perfectionism, knowing that you are perfect as you are, knowing your value, knowing your worth, knowing what you bring to the table, in your relationships, in your creative endeavors, in your career, just what you bring to the table in your life. You've been healing that. Oh, I feel like you've also been learning to be more compassionate with yourself and with others. You've been learning how to navigate difficult situations in your life with compassion, to see things from every angle, to see everybody's perspective, how everybody's connected. And yeah, I'm feeling the seraphims coming in right now. Seraphim dragons, dandelions might be significant to you, like the ones that you blow and it's like, and they fly, the wispies fly. That might be significant to you. There's a wish fulfillment on its way. There's a wish fulfillment on its way right now, coming in right now. Don't even say on its way. It's happening now. Energy just got silent. Spirit said, that's it. That's it. That's it. Okay. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, angels. Thank you, ancestors. Thank you to this beautiful human that has found themselves here on my video. If you want to dive deeper into a private session or a personalized reading, go check out my offers. I would be honored to hold that space for you. I have a sale going on for my Remember course for your spiritual awakening. I have some powerful protection tools, energetic hygiene, education in there, and tools to help you develop your psychic abilities. If you are interested, I would be honored to hold that space for you. Everything that I offer is linked in my bio, linked in the description on my website. And yeah. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, night, whatever time it is that you're watching this message. And if you've made it to the end, drop a mushroom emoji in the comments. Okay. I love you. I'll see you in the next aligned channeled message for you. Goodbye for now.